Hey guys, it's Noki. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review the latest McGrath Mothership VIII Divine Rose II. This new Divine Rose collection was launched on 29th of May. I ordered it on the same day and it was finally delivered 2 weeks later. I was drooling around other swatches and videos. I was like, oh, when is mine to arrive? I had to make a little bit of complaint about this purchase because I registered several email addresses for this so-called early access. But as always, I never received any emails from them. Luckily, I was clever enough to stick around Pat's Instagram, so I got the early access code and I tried to buy it. And I failed so many times. I didn't understand why. I put in all my shipping information and my payment details. It just failed. I also asked for help from online support and they told me just too many people queuing to pay. That's why it keeps failing on everyone. After maybe 10 extra minutes of trying, I finally got it. Then I realized maybe on the second or the third try, I lost my discount code, so I paid it for full price. I emailed the support team again to tell them about this situation. They were really nice and helpful. They just refunded me the 10% discount without any other trouble, so I'll give credit to that. I got the Divine Rose limited edition set. This one is Divine Rose the first and this one is the second. When I saw it online, I thought it would be the same rose gold packaging, but actually the first one was more like a pastel pink, a little bit acrylic kind of feeling, younger I would say. Divine Rose the second with the rose gold packaging, it's a lot more luxurious. Let's have a look. First impression, I don't think these two palettes are really similar. Divine Rose the second, the colors are more bold, more playful compared to Divine Rose the first. As we said before, it was more daily practical kind of colors. I'm really curious about the matte shades because normally some matte shades from Pat's eyeshadow can be a little bit dry. Also like to try the trial chrome color. This one seems really beautiful. So shall we start? We can have a look on this palette. As you can see, it's very pinkish, purplish. Has a little bit more warm tone to it compared to Divine Rose the first. Okay, let's start trying. Skin Show Rose Opal. It's a pinkish beige color as a base with the pink shine. Okay, the second one. The matte color, Extreme Burgundy. Seems really high pigmented. Ooh, it's very smooth. I'm surprised. It's a brownish wine purple. Next one. Naked Blush. It looks like a peachy color. Very smooth and high pigmented. This shade can be a really nice base color. Can go with some brownish, pinkish, rosy kind of color. Okay, the fourth one. Divine Dusk. This one looks a little bit similar to Rose Dusk from the previous palette. A light brown with fuchsia, pinkish glitter. Next one. Eleganza. This one looking a little bit like Love Lace from the previous palette. I think they even improved the formula. It's even more buttery now. This color is a silver brown with the pink peachy shine. Rose Seduction, the brightest color of this palette. Are you ready? Very bold, very high pigmented. Okay, next one. Bronze Rosé 005. This is an orangey bronze with golden glitters. Okay, the next one. The shade I got most excited about. VR Extraterrestrial, the trial chrome color. It's looking quite different from the website. I want to show you particularly in this color. You can see pink, green, and brown. Really cool. This one's really beautiful. Oh my god. Can't wait to try this one on my eyes. Yellowy green, brown, and pink. I don't know why, but on the camera I wouldn't show green too much. Next one. Gold Lost 001. It's a yellowy gold. Reminds me the Chinese emperor because I've been watching Empresses in the Palace. This yellowy gold just reminds me the Chinese imperial family. Okay, the last one. Astral Pink Moon. A glittery color. Golden, silver, and pink glitter. Okay, now we're comparing Divine Dusk and Rose Dusk. You can see Divine Dusk got a little bit more pink shine to it, pink golden glitters. But Rose Dusk is a pure shimmery mauve brown. Okay, the next one, Eleganza with Lovelace. Eleganza, it's shinier. You can see the pink tone to it. At the same time, Lovelace, it's a really subtle brown, very practical color. So I wouldn't say they are quite similar. Okay, let me compare the two glitter color. Austral Pink Moon and Austral Solstice. Austral Solstice is a lot more silver. At the same time, Austral Pink Moon has got more gold, more pink to it. On the camera, maybe you couldn't see the pink. The pink is very subtle. I want to compare the two gold as well. Gold Lush 001 and Refined Gold 002. Gold Lush 001 is a lot more yellowy. Refined Gold 002, it's more of an antique gold. I also want to compare the VR color from the two palettes. I know they don't look similar. VR Sextraterrestrial and VR Rose Venus. It's really weird you couldn't see the green. You can only see the pink, purple, and bronzy vibe. VR Rose Venus, it's more of a pinkish, peachy, warm tone kind of color. I also want to try this soft core. I got it on sale from Selfridges. I got it even before the Divine Rose collection. They got the same shade, just in different packaging. It's a purple tone pink. I got this shade just because I was always thinking I need to get some new shades from Matte Trends, and I really like it. It's girly, it's feminine, and it wouldn't make me look sick or anything. Okay, let's try the eyeshadow on my eyes. Okay, after trying on 3 different eye looks using all 10 shades from this new palette, I have to say I like this palette a little bit more compared to Divine Rose the first, because some shades from this new palette can be really useful. Some bronzy, peachy, purpley, mauve kind of colors. At the same time, this new palette had some really cool colors, especially the trial chrome color. For this kind of color, you will imagine it will be a little bit less useful, but from some angle, you can see the brown, bronzy color, but from some other angles, you can see the pink or even green. That's what I really like. And the bright fuchsia, Rose Seduction, I thought it would be really overpowering, even a little bit dramatic, but on my eyes, it's really blendable. You don't need to go as crazy as I imagine it would be. You can be as playful as you want to, but if you just want to create a day-to-day look, it also works. Almost all shades from this palette have either pink shine, pink glitter, or they are pink. So I'm really happy with the color story. I particularly like this look on my face. That's why I keep this on, because this matte shade, Naked Blush, it's a dark peach, really blendable, really smooth, easy to apply on. I think it works even better than the previous one, Mothership the 7 or the 6. I just love the texture. I'm quite happy with this palette. It's definitely worth the wait. Okay, so here it is, McGrath Mothership the 8, Divine Rose the 2nd. I hope you guys liked today's content. It would be amazing if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you have any question about today's demo, or if you have any other question for this palette, leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you next time. Bye bye!